Alright, so now we're flagging. We're doing some resurfacing of a road. So I'm in the middle of two sections. And the equipment is down at one end or the other. So the traffic coming from that way has to stop. And they can go slow. So I'll show you how this sign works. See, it's slow, and then it's stop. Slow, stop. And remember not to turn the sign and stop it in the middle, because then you can't see anything. So it's either slow or stop. And if it's slow, you can then assist by pointing your hand to show them where to go slow as they go by. Alrighty, that's all I got. Only 3 more hours to go. Yeah.